To create a type form, click the Create a New Form and you will redirect to a three options of how do you want to build your form, which is you can start from scratch, import questions, or create with AI. But in this case, I will choose start from scratch. After that, you can choose to add any element from contact to info, text, video, choice, other, and so much more, etc. But in this case, I'm going to X for now, and then you will see a where can I start and how can I start. Then if you want a short text, just click on it. Then you can type whatever you want to type. But in this case, I'm going to type what is your name. And then to add a layer, just click add content. Then you can choose what elements you are going to choose. Then I choose code. Then that's it. That's how you create a type form. You can explore it now. It's super simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.